wake up, what do you do there? Is this even real?
Hello, today is Monday, May 11th, I think. My child has decided to bless me with like really bad like cystic acne. Love that for me. Yay. So I'm like staring at this, but whatever, it's life, it happens. There's a lot of things that you can't use when you're pregnant for your skin. Okay, so I'm starting a new vlog for week 17 of being pregnant. I'm just in this jean jacket because it's so cold out. And yeah, I just went grocery shopping, so I figured that I would do like what I got at the grocery store if anyone cares about that. This is pretty much for like the week food that I needed to restock on. I do go to 2 different grocery stores. I go to like Sam's Club probably once every 2 weeks, and then I go to Walmart like once a week for groceries. And then if I need anything else, I just like go run and grab it. But I try to get everything that I need in one trip, but I don't do Sam's and Walmart on the same day just because I don't have the patience. So I guess I'm just gonna go through what I got and put it away. First thing I got is rolls. Jeez. These are for my dad. My mom asked me to pick them up for them, so whatever. I got this chicken and maple breakfast sausage. Next, I have coffee creamer. This is just the sugar-free French vanilla from Walmart. I got this big thing of orange juice, drop 50. And my skin is really bad today. Like I can't stop staring at it. That's just kind of what happens. And they're under the skin and like cystic, so I'm a little like SOL when it comes to doing stuff about it. Next, I just got barbecue sauce for Doug. The next bag, I just got frozen shrimp for him and a thing of turkey for his lunches. And there was no room in my fridge because Doug decided to put like a 30-pack of beer on one of the shelves. And then my entire door is filled with beer. These chicken tenders for my parents. These are the Tyson air fried ones. They really like them, so. And then I just got a New York strip steak. I prefer a filet, like the beef tenderloin, but you know, can't really be picky in these times. And I know there's like a meat shortage or something that I heard of. And, oh my gosh. Fine. I got Chick-fil-A today. That's empty. This, I ate that too. I ate that. I got a bag of apples. I'm gonna make a pie. Some fresh mozzarella from the grocery store, just like the balls, because I'm gonna make a pizza. That's what I'm gonna do, a pizza. I did have that planned, but I just can't think. Doug drinks these Core Power protein shakes, so I got a pack of them for him to take to work. And lastly, I have some counter stuff. I got Doug. These are the Cocoa Dino Bites with marshmallows. It's like the, I don't know, not the Walmart brand, but like, you know, there's like bags of cereal that are like significantly cheaper than every other cereal. It's that, but it's like Rice Krispies with marshmallows, the chocolate ones. Doug likes them. And I got kettle cooked potato chips, some blue chips, and these are like white cheddar cheese puffs. and they're kind of like the Pirate's Booty. Doug wanted them, and I couldn't find Pirate's Booty. I could only find it in these like little packs. So whatever, that's fine. And then I got zebra popcorn. Pretty much have all of our food in this like pantry cabinet, and it's pretty big, so it fits everything that we need, but I'm gonna go through it. I got these clear bins from Amazon, and honestly, like, they're perfect. But over here I have some baking stuff like sprinkles, vanilla, baking powder. Here I just have pasta and rice, and then these are just like chips and snacks that I have down here in like big bags. And up here I have candy in this one. There's just some Smart Sweets back there, Starburst, Sour Patch Kids, and gum. And then I have more candy, just some Sour Patch Kids, a big bag back there, some Baby Ruths for my dad, and then I have a whole stash of like Quest bars here. And then this like little one is some crackers. Here I put the individual bags of Pirate's Booty, and over there I have a bunch of oatmeal packets. It's mine and Doug's. Mine are in the back. And then up here I just have some rice cakes. These are caramel, and those are the regular rice cakes. And I have some Quest baking mix up here. And there's some like rice back there. You can see that needs to like be pushed in a little. And then I have some pancake mix, barbecue sauce, Doug's protein shakes, and then some peanut butter.
The thing that kept my heart beating. No one just said things, so stay wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for a sign. But when I wake up, I can't help but to wonder, is there something?
Okay, so lighting is a little bad because I'm in the garage, but I need to polyurethane the platform. And then I'm also gonna do this toaster rack that I built for Doug. This lighting is terrible, and like my positioning is really bad, but that is what I'm gonna do. I poured way too much polyurethane on the platform, so now I need to like, I don't know, fix it. So I guess this is just like a good time to talk while I fix the giant mistake that I just made. Doug, please don't be mad when you see this. I'm sorry. I just poured way too much of the polyurethane onto the platform. Well, shit happens. Yeah, I'm just polyurethaning this so that it's shiny and like sealed, I guess is the right word. I built this for Doug, and that is that. But I painted it and like put stickers on it, so that's super cool. And this stuff like takes forever to dry because it's so thick, but it's kind of whatever. We cut down the rig yesterday, so as soon as the platform is ready to go, we can put the rig onto the platform and use it. And then we have like a fully functioning squat rack or cage, whatever you want to call it, platform as well. So it's like we got our own little gym in here. I got the idea for this toaster rack on Instagram. I started following a bunch of home gym pages. I saw that somebody built this toaster rack, so I figured out how to build it, and there we go. I just got some, these aren't 2x4s, but it's the same thing. All these boards are 3/4 of an inch thick, and I just cut them all to the size of plates, and then drilled them together because who doesn't love power tools? And I put it on wheels, so it's like a movable cart for all the weights.
I just wanna see the stars. Come out at night, but we're still looking for sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Come out at night, but we're still looking for sign. When I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Can you see the stars? Don't give me that cocaine, whiskey or rum. Don't wanna run and don't wanna have that cocaine, whiskey or rum. Don't wanna run and don't wanna. You know you're putting me down on the spot. Every time I've been crazy with the cops, now my heaven goes. Don't you know till you take it all? Don't you know you're putting me down on the spot? Every time I get crazy with the rock, then my heaven goes. Don't you know who you're gonna call? Don't give me that cocaine, whiskey or rum. Don't wanna run and don't wanna have that cocaine, whiskey or rum. Don't wanna run and don't wanna. I'm using you cause I'm feeling lost, but it's wearing down just to pay for the cost. And my soul is so low that I'm begging you for more. With the bloody nose looking like a bag of bones, punching my card on a different Jones. Hold me steady, I'm not ready, don't go. All I know is letting my head go. Long it goes till I come around. Baby, I know you know I'm letting my head go. Don't you know now I've been lost? Don't give me.
But thanks again for watching, and I hope that you subscribe and enjoy my videos.